Hey guys, let's have some small fun. Here we have QNAP PCIe Express board to install 4 M2 drives. I also have 4 P3 Plus Crucial drives. So what I could say about these drives? This is QLC drives DRAM-less. So they are using host memory as cache. To say they are fully useless, no, but use them in some environment, even in local PC, it's not very good idea, because of their productivity will very decrease when they fully utilize the RAM buffer. So, what's our idea? I will create RAID 6 of this, put it in QNAP, and create very fast tier to boot QTS and to boot some virtual machines. So it will provide me very fast indexing possibility and good redundancy. Even 2 of them will die, everything still work. So let's install them in the board and then we'll install in QNAP and show how things works. We need to take this green plastic button to install one drive. So let's put it. It done to be too less, but the problem that taking off this small plastic buttons is not very easy. I bought this drive to use them as Nutanix called tier, but to be honest, their productivity is very poor. Very poor. So that's why my idea is try what they will show in QTS. Also see, here we have some thermal sensor. So it also will show temperature inside NAS, and based on such temperature, it will speed up fan or not. Also there are some thermal bars. I previously used this board. So yeah, let's connect everything together and then install it to NAS. Just don't forget to put fan connector to the board. By the way, even this fan is small, because of big heatsink, it's very quiet. So I have rack mount TS-1277. It's also pretty quiet hardware, and even with this board, it seems very quiet. Okay, the board is fully ready, so let's install it.